Wow. Wodo mara ga mun tekere mu na sim na kwadele nwoke mmadele nwanyị mmana foka na na-agụkwu n'isi onye ọbụla n'isi nwoke n'isi nwanyị asị m ndụ azụ ndụ mmiri ka isi gagide efe chanel abụrụ by mistake abe na-asị biko ebe ibi nọ nene na anyị udo dịrị gị ihe ọma ya kpọ gị ihu ịnọ isi gafete na chanel a subscribe wala anyị wela notification gị share kwa na video efu like ya onye ọzọ solo gị efu onye ahụ subscribe kwa maka asị ọ bụrụ na ibe amarọ ọ bụrụ na ikwu amarọ ibe akụzieli ya kwanụ nwa nọkịta ihe anyị na-eme ka ọ dịrị Igbo mma anyị anọghọ n'ile dan follow fene mana ibuzie nwanne gị nwoke sọsọ gị ebili mana asị onye asị nya ha aka oji ịmara ihe o ji bụ ajọ ihe onye asịkwa na ya jide ka oji ịmara ihe o ji bụ ezigbo ihe anyị na-etego aka etiwelu mkpu na chanel na-asị onye ọbụla ha aka unu oji ụmụ ikolobịa jee na jee chọọ ọlụ ụmụ agbọghọbịa anyị dewelu na-enyi unu nwoke aka ka unu na-esoro ha na-eme kọọlụ yahoo ya bụ ihe abụrụ ezigbo ihe nwoke nwetazie nwaanyị kịta ogosi line si ya na welu fọs gị lele m ka gị na nwoke akpa nkata ocho vidio kọọlụ ize ya mana megide ka ọ bụ na ọkwụpụta client ịnapụtara ya ego onu nwe na-eme ya anyị na-afụchi ya anyị macha ihe unu na-eme mana ha anụ ka unu ji ya bụ ihe wee bula wee dubata na this confession nwanne anyị nwoke anụ nwa mee a na-ekwukwa n'ihe ala dị so dịkwa ka anyị si na ebe anụ nwa na-amụgo m a lot of comment mfugo regarding some video mmego bụ mmecha ya ụfọdụ ndị asị yes na ha afụgo ya ị na-enecha vidio dị gị mmanya ka anyị na-ekwala okwu na-echi ya na nwoke anyị nwa sị na ha jee the worst ihe na-ewe m unu makwa na ihe unu na-eme dị njọ still unu na-eti aka sị unu jee gwọtala ya ọgwụ ka ọ wee nwee isi because na unu na-anasị ọ bụ na ha na-asị na ha na-enwe nwere isi egbuli isi ga-eti ya ka ọ wee nwee isi iwe jee skamụọ gị ị na-achọ izu oshi a skamụọ gị ọ ka wofu mmiri ahụ na-asụ n'ite ahụ ị nwere ọkụ na ije dị prison maka na ọ sị na ihe anụnwa bụ disi ihe a nwoke amelia ụka yi nọ na prison n'obodo Igbo by now small thing kpam ọ naba mkpọrọ na this confession ụnọfụ mgbe nwatakịrị chọrọ ije gwọta ọgwụ ewe chie ya from there unu ya mazi onye o jere na nke ha chọrọ m ịkpọ afa ike adịrọ m ana na video ka ụnọfụ.
See wetin happen. You get the time. No, as I dey abroad, you understand? Yeah, I know they Nigeria, so you get more business where they move for the country where we say we dey. I can't put my guy can't tell me about the business for here, for abroad, and I can't get one guy for Nigeria. So I come tell and say, guy, see, you get something where they move for this country. You understand? Make it go check for that side when you there for Nigeria. Whether they fit see people wey fit do similar, like fake imitation. You understand? Like imitation. Make they go synthesize the original one. You can't give them no be or just normal commodity where they move for here, but for here it is expensive. But for Nigeria, we can get people where they do but not be original one. So I can't tell him. The guy is a traditional guy, like my friend, but he believe all this traditional stuff. He can't tell me say he go work, even if he no work, he go do small juju work, join and make it go well for us. So we can't do the study, can't check everything, both how to ship everything, come rank brand, contribute money, big money. You can't find where they do them. You can't get them. You can't beat price with them, but we don't say a fake one they do. So that guy can tell us say before we go do this thing, make we meet one native man. Say the man they do for well. Say they do work well. You know what's happened? We can tell us okay, go check. You go check, oh, go consult the man. The man can't do alpha for us. Can't check. Say they go do 3 work for us. They go do work for water. They go do this one. They go do this one, and they go do okite joiner. You understand? They go do okite joiner. Okay, no issue. You know what's in the man talk? He say he wants they do the work finish. Say even if that commodity will carry, even if you know they're similar to the one where they use here, even if you know they're similar, as soon as we go to the distributor, the place we go distribute them, say they no go even notice, say no be the original one. Say they no go notice. I told her, say now even after we don't distribute and finish, maybe after 1 day or 2 days, that's time the eye go open. I can't ask them, my guy, say sure. He say no, this guy they do better work. Say he has antecedents. Say they do better job. They do confirm okite for people. Igbo, all these ones I don't even understand. He can't charge us so, and he can't tell us say each proceed. Say he go to take 10%. Each market will sell, he go take 10%. Any consignment will come from Niger to the place. Say if we don't finish and we'll give him 10%. Upon the money he don't charge us so. Big money. And they don't do alpha, he say he could work. He don't do all the work, do all whatever the case, he do okay, they say make we they go. Say nothing go stop, nothing for this work go stop us. You can't give us confidence. You see that kind of confidence. Now waiting they now this thing they put people for problem. You see people where they inside the prison. Now confidence they give them. Because they know fit talk. They don't stay inside, and some of them they life imprisonment. So we can't hustle, gather money, do everything, both the work and the commodity. We can't go give person we go do and for us, do almost like original one. They can't ship them. You can't tell us say you can't give us something where we say we no go eat and something we no go eat and all these ones. We observe all those things 100%. You can't tell us say before we go start the work, say we go tell them as the commodity land. So come message and say okay, we won't start work tomorrow. You can't say okay, say they don't go renew this thing, say you don't go put fire. Like I don't know as I want to talk You know what's happen? As you talk that one, we can't get confidence, and that business go give person excess money. We can't tell and say, Oga, do this juju work well. We go surprise you. Say we go even use car spoil you. Because they know Ishi. Can't go. I and my friend where they here, another guy they Nigeria. The first shop we go to distribute, the Igbo man shop we go to distribute that thing. Immediately you see him, you can say, what is this? What is this? Thanks my goodness, say I carry the original one for pocket. I can't say I'm sorry. I don't even remember. Come smartness, I don't even remember what I tell them. Come convince them. Come carry the better one, give them. You understand? He can't call his friend waiting for that shop, say, see. And this is very, like, if to say these people call police for us, it's very, very bad to give somebody a fake one. Very, very bad. I can't see what's in there happen. I can't think say that even that the shop owner, the Igbo man get juju for his shop, where we say he go detect. I can't still go another shop. Immediately I give the man this. He can't say, what is this one? I still get the original one. I can't give the man. Say, sorry, I don't even remember what I tell them. We convince them. Because immediately they for call police immediately for us. Because we don't enter with confidence. When we enter inside shop, we'll be saying even if they want to lock the shop, they go lock and carry us, catch us. You see the confidence. So now so we do. I can't call Niger, can't call that guy. Say I beg, call that man. See what's in the happen. And we don't spend big money for this commodity. With the insurance, you know what the man talk. The man say, now the man will do that work for us for Niger. Like the one with the best way do the fake commodity for us. Now he calls him. Say you know doing well. Brother, waiting be not doing well. We'll tell you as they did say, see, we won't carry fake one, we won't give person make you do fake one for us, we won't go distribute them as original one. You self do alpha, you self do okay, you self do water work for water. You see and you can't tell us say that the person will do that fake one. Now fake one now, I will tell you say na fake something won't go distribute. They can't tell us say even if na fake one or an original one, anything we will carry say it go work for us. You know what he told us that day? Say make we go another shop. I can't tell that my guy say bro no go and make we go house. Make this man no go put us for because if we enter inside, we no feel come out again. That one feel be life imprisonment. You see now so they give people confidence. They go give you confidence. Say now so they give people confidence. You go use that confidence go kill yourself. You see if you don't get okay, if you say we no get brain as in because first shop we go, we think say wetin dey happen. We can't go second shop, same thing. You can't tell as we call him, you can't tell us say make we go another shop. I can't tell my guy say bro, no go anywhere. I beg, no go anywhere. Make this man no go stay for inside in maybe they shop our money for inside AC. He won't put us for problem. You know what he do? He can't tell us say okay. Now the person will do that commodity for us. Now he do am bad. Now we supposed to go arrest them. How we want take arrest? We know say na fake they do. We won't use fake go do as the original one. And we tell you say na fake one we carry. You know say na fake one. You can't do job for us say na okay that fake one go. Right? Say go make plenty money from that one. Or say we don't give you your money. And you can't tell us say go give you 10% each proceed. You see imagine say because if not be say if na the other of my guy we go do that distribution they for catch us because I try to go and I have original one for my pocket. You understand? I can't like give them say na one chemical spoil them, you know, like say the packaging. You understand? See this one. You see if you say I don't even talk well, bro, now for inside prison for day. Now for inside prison.
I really can on your banana because it's the nature video and what the good game. If you go no, you don't buy any make you go. One day go go. Seki email I'm a lot of Omenala no online pana ha onwe only ya be wete asige mba na ha da eme. Maka na ọrụ niile nwere ndị ọman. Nwere mgbe nwere ozi ogwu ọzọ eme na nwansu gbegolo mgbe ahụ ọ sị na n'ihe megide dibia ji enwe certificate bụ na ọ na-agba afa agbata ọnụ ya. Ije ebe ndị asị gị n'afọ ọsịsa ka ha na-agwọ, ije ebe ndị asị gị nọ maka onye gbajiri ụkwụ, ije ebe ndị asị gị na onye gbajiri aka, ije ebe ndị ọgbọ na-asị nọ ndị zọtara nsị ka ha na-agwọ, ije ebe ndị asị gị nọ ndị na-eme na-achụ ọgba njebi ha na-alụ, ije ebe ndị asị gị nọ ndị a ka ihe emetụ ka akpụọ nwa gị nwoke dada n'onwe ha ya emetụpa akpụọ ya dada, mana kịta dibịa na-agwọzi nta na-agwọ imerokwu. Ndị be anyị biko wepụ n'aka n'ihe ọjọọ sokwa n'ihe m ji ekwu. Ịma na ihe ị na-eme bụ illegal na the law jide gị n'ihi atagbu onwe gị n'afọ, mana ịpụtazi na-ejekwa ka ha gwọọrọ gị ọgwụ ka ihe ajụ ya ahụ ị na-eme wee gaa kezi ka o esi wee gaa. Ogo na dibịa ahụ bụrụ na original na ichekwu na nke mana as long as na ihe ị na-eme bụ ajụ ihe ya bụ ihe ama nga aga. Akala aka niile abụrụ ofu, nwa ndị ya bụ ha je ha atọ, nwa ndị ya bụ ha je ha na esi na onye aje na eme na gị na ya na-aba aha. Aka bikwala m na biko ka anyị nwee nụ mgbe ọzọ biko ekwucha m ka ọha m n'ọnụ. Ngwanụ ka ọ dị.